Hello guys, welcome to Freaky Nature. So, in this video, we will talk about how different animals communicate with each other, or you can say that how they talk with each other. We will explain it by choosing three animals, one from land, one from water, one from air, and trust me, we will only choose famous ones. Okay, so our first animal is from land, and it is lion. Lion is famous, right? So, how do they communicate? So, first of all, let's talk about their roar, which is the most important part of their communication. So, when a male lion roars, it usually means that they are making it clear that this territory is theirs and you better not mess with them. But when a female lion roars, it means to tell the woman of her pride that where is she and what is she doing. Lions also communicate by using different sounds, and if we translate it through human language, it is like this. When a lion wants to say hello, lion hums or puffs to show that he is happy to see you. When a lioness wants to say that come to mommy, lioness call her cubs by grunting very softly and they call back to show her where they are. When lion want to say go away, lion growl, stand up tall, hunches his back or bares his teeth. Well, lion want to say that don't do that. Lion usually, strike other lion with their paw or they swats the guilty member of their pride with its paw. When a lion want to say the life is in Africa is good, so lions and lioness purr and lick at each other. Speaking of licking, lions usually lick to create a specific scent of their pride, which they will recognize it later by sniffing. Okay, so let's move on to our water animal, which is, of course, shark. One thing which makes shark communication very simple is that they don't have a larynx, meaning they cannot produce any sound. So all they communicate is through body language and olfactory senses. Any specific uses body language is to express their desire to mate. For example, gray reef sharks typically arc their back to show dominance. In this display, pectoral fins point down and head is swung laterally, almost mimicking a clock pendulum. Also, to get the attention of other sharks, shark bite that fin of the shark. But most important part of shark communication is their olfactory communication, meaning sensing chemicals in the sea. I mean, they hunt most of their prey by olfactory senses and by sensing chemical in the sea. And similarly, receptive female will release chemicals and pheromones into the water to indicate that they are interested in getting a mate. Shark also have the ability to feel vibrations in the water by using a special organ called lateral fin. By detecting vibration, shark are able to navigate the surroundings. So let's talk about our air animal, which is obviously eagle. So eagle don't use much olfactory senses because they don't have a good sense of smell. So they mostly rely on body language and sound. If we talk about body language, in order to threaten, they circle over or chase the animal which is in their area. If we talk about mating, eagle usually attempt and free fall to impress the female, and free fall rituals while mating is in bowling is very common. Eagle also use different calls to communicate. For example, they call the female by for mating. Baby call their parents to feed them, which is usually called chirping or whining call. So that's for today. Don't forget to tell us which animal communication process you want to learn more. So please subscribe, share, and like, and ring the bell. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye from the freaky guy.